Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to open the December Simply Earth recipe box. Simply Earth is one of our favorite essential oil companies. They have good quality essential oils, which is a monthly subscription, $45 I believe. When you use my code, you get a $45 gift card back. So really, it's just a great option to try, even if just for a month. But this is great for DIY people or just beginners that going into essential oils and you're like, I don't know how to use them. I want to make sure I'm using them correctly and the most efficiently, the most effectively. They give you every month like seasonal recipes and new essential oils to try, which I love because this is how I got to discover so many new essential oils that I wouldn't just buy on my own because I wouldn't know how to use them or wouldn't know their benefits. And also with their recipes being formulated by an aromatherapist, you don't have to worry about dilution rate or whether it's safe for this or that. They give you an abundance of information that save kids, safe pregnancy, just so much that you need to know, and it's really great. And so that's why I love this box and I share it every month because of all of those things. And they also give back 13% to help end human trafficking. So anyways, there are 4 essential oils, things you'll need to make recipes, and recipe cards in the box. With your first box, you get a bigger box. It comes inside of a bigger one that will give you empty rollers, empty bottles, coconut oil, fractionated and solid, almond oil, beeswax pellets, because you use that for quite a few recipes. And then every 6 months you'll get the big bonus box, which is really, really nice. So I'll share the essential oil recipes. Actually, I'll share the oils first. And at this point, I've gotten this box for a couple of years now. And so I typically have every oil that comes in the box. So I like to swap them, go grab the ones from my shelf. And then I add these unopened ones, the new ones, to my giveaway pile. And this week I'm giving away a big bundle, and same for next week. I don't know if I'll be able to do 3 weeks in a row before it gets to Christmas, but the next few weeks anyways, I'm going to be doing a big giveaway. Usually it's like a bottle or 2 of oil, but I'm going to put together a big bundle just for the holiday season. So make sure you subscribe to my blog. The link will be down below, or just TOREYNOORA.com. So here are mine. We are getting frankincense this month, the king of essential oils. If you don't have any essential oils, I recommend you get frankincense always. Pine, another staple. This is like the main tree oil. Tree oils are amazing for so many different things. Hoe wood, this is a woody and floral, a little bit different, but also a great one for this season. And then you get a blend, which is called Vanilla Woods. This is a blend of Peru balsam, benzoin, and vanilla oleo resin. I did a whole video on vanilla a while ago, and vanilla added, either vanilla oleo resin or CO2 extract added to any essential oil blend elevates it so much. Makes it smell so much more like a traditional like candle when you're making candles or DIYs. Just gives it that fragrance element without being a synthetic fragrance, if that makes sense. So recipes I'll share next. Night Before Christmas Reed Diffuser. They have a new, I always share their kits when they come out with them. This is their monthly recipe box, but they also have different DIY kits. So the perfumes up, I can't see my shelf from here, but they're back there. So many different things that you can make with your DIY boxes. Candles, they have a Reed diffuser one. If it's not already out, look for it coming soon. Centering pine wood roll-on. So to make this roll-on, you can use one of your empty rollers in your big bonus box and your carrier oil too. Night Before Christmas Reed diffuser. Oh my gosh, I got 2 of the same. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 2 of these on accident. I still got 6 recipes. I just got 2 of the same ones. That's funny. I was like, wow, we're making 2 Reed diffusers, but they were the same. The roll-on Cozy Mason Jar Air Freshener. So this one is going to be all the essential oils. You'll need a mason jar from home, a small one, and baking soda. And then Smitten Felt Diffuser. This one is going to be, something in the box with that for that. Winter Woods Diffuser Blend. So you'll mix up probably all of the essential oils. Yep, all of them. So like 11 vanilla, 33 pine, 33 hoe wood, and 22 frankincense into an empty bottle. And you make your own little blend. Christmas Cheer Aromatherapy Inhaler. Ooh, this is exciting. So I'll probably make, oh, that's so cute. I'll make a couple of these real quick while I'm doing this video. Sometimes I do it separately, but I'll just show. So this is the Felt Mitten Diffuser. So we'll just do this one quickly. It's going to be really easy, I think. That's really, really cute. That'd be a cute gift also. So for that one, where was the card? mitten felt diffuser. Felt or any material like this, any wood material, makes a great passive diffuser. So you can just put a couple of drops on it, and then when you walk by, you get a whiff of it. So you're just going to hang this on your Christmas tree or your car mirror or anywhere you want, and put 5 drops of pine essential oil or fresh pine scent. So literally all you're going to do, I'm not going to do this because I might do this as a gift or let the girls do it, but you're just going to take your bottle and put 5 drops onto mitten, and pine should be okay, but if you are using any other essential oil that might be a color, like blue tansy is obviously blue, vanilla woods might be a little bit like a tan, darker color because the vanilla oleoresin is dark, just test it on a spot to make sure it's not going to stain first if you're doing something like this. That's super cute. You get an inhaler, which I share. I really like the aluminum ones. Simply Earth always goes with the plastic version better than, that's okay, Earth and Wood Reed Diffuser. Oh, so you're going to need just any bottle of essential oil. What is it saying for this one? So you'll need 60 drops of pine, 30 drops vanilla, and 30 drops hoe wood. You're going to remove the dropper from a 15 milliliter bottle. Add essential oils and swirl. Fill the rest with perfumer's alcohol, optional, but that you get in a different kit. Place the wood cap on. So we're going to use an empty 15 ml bottle, and we're making our own blend and making our own reed diffuser. So that's really cool. And then these are the stickers. You always get stickers to label everything so that you know exactly what it is. And then a little bit more about the box. They also have an advent calendar. It's a couple days late, but I'm sure you could still enjoy it. And then introducing a reed diffuser set. So it's showing you about that. And I should be getting that to share with you guys soon. They're really cute. And then before I'll just make maybe the aromatherapy inhaler. I will share the value. So the value this month for everything included in the box is $212. Again, it's $44.99 to subscribe to this box. And then with my code, you get the big bonus box, the $45 gift card back to use, access to an essential oil hero course, which is a class on how to use essential oils safely and effectively, and so many other things. They give you an abundance of education, and that's why I love them. So for this inhaler, I am going to open it. I'm going to find my label. I'm going to label it first. Christmas Cheer Aromatherapy Inhaler. Just going to put that on here. You can put the date on it as well if you want to remember. Usually inhalers will last a week, 2 weeks. It depends on how much you open it and how much air is getting exposed to it, but they do last quite a while. So you're going to take it apart. This part comes off, and then the end cap comes off, and inside will be a little wick. And that's what you place your essential oils on. Again, when you're using aluminum one, this is your wick, and then everything else is either glass or aluminum. This is all plastic, meaning if you put lemon in here, it's going to break down this plastic. So that's why I like the aluminum ones. But if you're using this for a short period of time, just keep an eye on it. It'll be okay. In general, I opt for glass or aluminum, really in anything that we do. So they are suggesting that you put the wick into a small bowl and apply the essential oils that way. Honestly, I just drop the essential oils on into here. That's another reason that I use the glass. It's very easy to do that. So just for this, I'm going to show it in that way, but you can just mix up the oils in a separate container and then add the wick back too. But you're using 5 drops of pine and 5 drops hoe wood. So I'm going to just drop it right onto the wick. That was pine, and then 5 drops hoe wood essential oil. 3, 4, 5. And that's going to just climb up the wick and absorb, and then you'll be good to go. You want to put the end cap back on, and then this is your top that stays on. And you just maybe give it a shake for a second, and then, oh, that smells really, really good. It's fresh. Hoe wood and pine together are nice. Oh, that's really uplifting and grounding at the same time. Pine, like I said, has so many different mood benefits. Obviously, just walking out into the woods is going to be your best way of getting that. But if walking outside in the woods is not an option for you, pine essential oil is just so fresh. There's nothing like it, really. It's not like a peppermint fresh wake you up. It's like make you feel so warm and fuzzy and alive, fresh and awakening, if that makes sense. What do they describe it as? Evergreen and woody. And then hoe wood, again, was woody and floral. So you get a little bit of different natural notes. Oh, those just smell so good together. That was a good one. I will link my favorite aluminum inhalers down below if you guys are interested in that. So to use this and to just show, I am going to just make a reed diffuser out of my vanilla wood. So what you will do for their recipe is a little bit differently. You're going to have an empty bottle. You're going to add your essential oils on the recipe card, and then you're going to apply or assemble this. I'm just going to show you because vanilla wood smells good, and I'm just going to make a little diffuser out of this. So you're going to want to take off the top. Plastic here. You want to take off the little orifice reducer cap. It flew across the room. And then you're going to put this little bamboo topper on the 15 milliliter bottle. I should have took the black piece off too. 1 second. We're going to put this on, and the Vanilla Woods label is really just cute too. And this is a blend, so this is just going to smell, oh, it smells so good. So then you're going to put your 3 little reeds in there, and then you flip them over however often you want to, really, to refresh the smell. But you can set this, make sure you're setting it out of the reach of pets or kids. We do have a cat, so I'm gonna put this up on my window where he cannot get to. Just make sure you're careful with these because this is just an open bottle of essential oil, so keep that in mind, especially with the oils you're using as well. Recap: each month you get 4 essential oils, usually 3 singles and a blend. 6. This time I got 7, but one was a duplicate. 6 recipe cards, things you'll need to make each recipe. Some things you'll have to use from your home, like empty jars or baking soda or things like that. But generally they give you most of what you need. On the back of each card is also information, sneak peek for next month, a note from Katie, the aromatherapist. You can get 50% off your next box, tips, a recap of the essential oils and how to use each one. And right here, as well as on their website, we'll have kid safe, pregnancy safe, cat safe, dog safe, and then just what this general safety guidelines and stuff like that. So make sure you're reading the front and back. It's a great way to just dive into using essential oils. It kind of teaches you how to use them in different ways that you might not think of. And I think that's it for this video, but let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have Simply Earth and what you're excited for this month. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.